How to search for subreddits and topics on Reddit. Want to find cool communities and interesting topics on Reddit? Today I will show you how to search for subreddits and topics easily. Let's dive in. First things first, open your browser and go to www.reddit.com and log in if you haven't already. At the top of any Reddit page, you will see a search bar. Click on it and get ready to type. Type what you are interested in. It could be a hobby, a topic, or a subreddit name. For example, photography, gaming, or movies. Reddit will show a list of posts relevant to your search, subreddits matching your keywords, users, or communities that fit your interests. Use the tabs at the top to filter results. Pick communities to find subreddits. Click any subreddit that look interesting to visit and explore. If you like a subreddit, hit the join button to add it to your feed. And that's how you search for subreddits and topics on Reddit, quick and easy. Ready to find your new favorite community? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.